In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify in 2025. Whether you're looking to engage new visitors or reward returning customers, a pop-up can be an effective way to drive sales. Let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. Start by navigating to the My Store section, which serves as your Shopify homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on Settings. It's usually found in the left-hand sidebar, a central hub for all things related to your store's configuration. Next, within the Settings menu, find and select Apps and Sales Channels. This section helps you manage the integrations and tools that enhance your store's functionality. Now, look for the option to visit the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on this link to open up a world of applications designed to expand your store's capabilities. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, it's time to find a pop-up tool that suits your needs. In the search bar at the top, type in pop-up and hit enter. You should see a variety of apps pop up. The one we're focusing on is called Pop Convert Pop-ups Banners. When you find it, click on it to view more details. With the app page open, proceed by clicking on the Install button. This will begin the process of adding Pop Convert to your store. You might need to authorize the installation, so follow any prompts you see. Once installed, head back to your Shopify admin and find the newly installed app. Open it up to explore its features. Within Pop Convert, start by clicking on Templates. Here you can browse various pre-designed pop-up options. Choose a template that aligns with your brand style and click Use Template. Remember, a captivating design can catch your customer's eye, so choose wisely. Now customize the template to fit your branding. You can change the background color, main title color, and text color to better match your store's aesthetic. You can even update the background image to something more personalized. Simply click the respective options and make the necessary adjustments. After adjusting the design, shift your focus to the conversion settings. Here you can tailor the messages your customers will see. Crafting meaningful and persuasive copy can significantly impact your pop-up's effectiveness. Next, click on Content, and here you can add an image if you wish. Don't forget to upload the file after selecting the image you want to use. Also, in the Content section, click on Form Settings to tweak any placeholders you might want your visitors to interact with. Navigate to Settings within the Pop Convert app for finer control over your pop-up's behavior. For instance, you can set when the pop-up should appear, after a delay of 5 seconds, immediately, or even after 7 days. Experiment with these settings to discover what works best for your audience. Finally, don't forget to name your campaign for easy tracking. Once everything is set, hit the Save button. You can preview your work to ensure everything looks perfect before it goes live. And that's it, you've successfully set up a pop-up discount on your Shopify store. Remember to keep testing and tweaking your pop-ups to find the most effective setup. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next guide.